OpenAI promises the people of the world that their mission is different. Unlike every other capitalistic big tech company, maximizing profits isn't their goal. Instead, they're focused on benefiting all of humanity by developing undoubtedly the most life-changing technology in our existence. Or is this all just a PR stunt to gain trust from the masses? Today we will explore the truth of OpenAI, from its beginnings as a nonprofit for the people, to balancing investors, control, and the countless other implications that come with creating artificial intelligence technologies. According to its LinkedIn, OpenAI is a San Francisco-based artificial intelligence, or AI, research and deployment company. Its mission is to ensure AI technologies benefit all of humanity. Simply put, AI refers to machines and computer systems that are designed to perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence. At a basic level, you can think of AI assistants like Amazon's Alexa or Apple's Siri. Some more advanced examples include self-driving cars and Boston Dynamics robots. OpenAI is different from the rest of these companies that generally only look to enhance their own products and services. Its focus is instead to build AI systems that can assist and augment human capabilities regardless of profits. At least that's how it was at the start. In classic big tech fashion, the organization was founded in San Francisco in 2015 by an all-star team. Founders included Sam Altman, who's the current CEO and former president of Y-Combinator, which is a startup accelerator that helped launch thousands of companies, including Airbnb, Reddit, and Twitch. Other founders include Elon Musk and Reid Hoffman, co-founder of LinkedIn, amongst many others who collectively pledged $1 billion. When OpenAI was founded, according to a tweet by Elon Musk, it was designed to be an open source nonprofit, hence the name OpenAI. In technical terms, open source software essentially means the code can be inspected or modified by anybody. This openness is especially critical for AI, as it's destined to have an unprecedented impact on our lives. The company was also formed as a response to big tech companies who were criticized for not paying enough attention to AI safety. Fairly early on, OpenAI realized that its mission could not be accomplished without outside funding, as the cost to train AI models is immense. CEO Sam Altman also expressed the need for funding to pay overhead, including the cost of salary, to compete with leading companies like Google. Before turning to investors, OpenAI also reportedly attempted to seek funding from the government, but was turned down. As such, in 2019, it created a capped profit entity, which allowed investors to contribute capital without receiving limitless returns. Around the same time, Elon Musk exited the company, claiming concerns for potential future conflicts with Tesla, as he was planning to create self-driving cars. Interestingly, Musk is now one of the biggest critics of OpenAI, but we will look at that later in the video. Soon after Musk's departure, Microsoft invested $1 billion in a multi-year partnership with OpenAI to accelerate R&D and provide access to extensive computational resources. When Microsoft invests billions of dollars into a company, it's safe to assume something revolutionary is being built. So what's happened since then? On November 30th, 2022, OpenAI released an AI-powered chatbot called ChatGPT. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. This set the record for the fastest growing consumer application in history, estimating 100 million monthly active users in only 2 months. This same feat took TikTok 9 months and Instagram 2.5 years. In seconds, this chatbot can write blog posts about nearly any topic, solve advanced mathematics, and even debug code. This was initially powered by GPT 3.5, OpenAI's language model, which Sam Altman compares to the earliest form of computers. Just think about how far they've come in such a short period of time. This groundbreaking technology was available to the public for free, carrying out the vision of OpenAI. The hype and virality were insurmountable. People couldn't wait to see what was in store for GPT-4, until Microsoft invested $10 billion for exclusive access to power its Bing search engine. Upon release, the only way to use GPT-4 was through Bing or paying a subscription for ChatGPT Plus for $20 a month. Critics were questioning the true intentions of OpenAI. Again though, the company justified its monetization, stating the subscription revenue would help with all the computing costs. Other impressive releases were Dalle and Dalle 2. These are AI art generators. Simply put, you type in descriptive words and images are immediately outputted. While this technology was also mind-blowing, there's been serious backlash from creatives. There's concerns for the future of graphic designers, video editors, and even actors. The scary part is, these tools only scratch the surface for the big goal of OpenAI, AGI. AGI stands for Artificial General Intelligence. AGI definitions vary across experts from different fields, but with regards to computer science, this is basically an intelligent system that can learn and comprehend just like a human. This is where these AI models can learn on their own without human input. Eventually, the belief is there will be superintelligence, which is a system possessing intelligence that far surpasses all human beings. As wild as this concept is, it's also extremely risky. While we're years away from using AGIs, the current state of AI has already caused problems in the world. Students in school are already using ChatGPT to write research papers and answer homework problems. The question is, are they really learning things or just having outputs from AI? OpenAI responded by creating a plagiarism tool to detect AI-generated text, but again, was this just for PR? There are also concerns around biases, including politics, where ChatGPT favored a specific political party in the US. People are concerned that this technology is controlling the narrative just like the media. Even further, there are issues surrounding privacy. In 2023, Italy became the first Western country to ban ChatGPT due to concerns of personal chat data being used to train the models. Regardless, Sam Altman continues to reinforce his commitment to AI safety. Even if OpenAI maintains this safety, it's also imperative that other big tech companies follow suit. Interestingly, in 2023, over 1,000 AI experts, including Elon Musk, Apple co-founder Steve Wozniak, and Yoshua Bengio, a godfather of AI, all signed a letter urging a pause in AI development. This open letter cited the looming risks to society if we did not slow down on advancing AI. Guess who didn't sign the letter? Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI. Although it's up for debate whether this was genuine concern or merely competitors begging for extra time to catch up in the AI arms race. Even if we get a better grip on AI development, there's still many ethical issues at hand. One major topic of debate with the rise of AI and AGI is determining whether or not the code should be open source. Some believe this technology is far more dangerous than nuclear weapons. A common argument against making the code open source is that this could cause great harm if the technology gets into the wrong hands. While this is objectively true, this could also just be an attempt for AI companies to maintain power and control. Another issue is around alignment. With regards to AI, alignment is leading systems towards the goals and interests of humans. How can we develop an AGI that thinks on its own to adhere to the morals of human beings? What even are the objective morals of human beings? Sam Altman believes there should be a democratic process of alignment where the world debates issues and agrees on overall rules. This sounds quite similar to a political system, which at least in the US, is not looked upon favorably. So what's next? AI can certainly bring about amazing things like medical or scientific discoveries, give humans more free time for hobbies and exploring the world, and more. However, it can also be detrimental if the true control is maintained by the elites and big tech giants, where our jobs are taken, our privacy is invaded, and we have even greater control placed upon us. As OpenAI continues to navigate the complexities of developing AI, the hope is that it delivers on its mission of augmenting the lives of humans in a safe way. Can Sam Altman and OpenAI be trusted? Will other big tech companies forego endless profits to actually focus on improving the human experience? Only time will tell.